Let's understand GraphQL API in 100 seconds. See, when a website needs data, say a list of users or their posts, it asks for a backend service. That backend service responds with the requested information, and this conversation happens through an API, nothing but application programming interface. GraphQL is one of the API, stands for Graph Query Language, and it is a query language, meaning instead of your server giving a fixed response, you write exactly what you want, and the server gives you precisely that, nothing more and nothing less. See why it is named as graph? Because real application data is connected like a graph. Let's say user has some post, and post will definitely have comments, and comments have authors, and this web of connected data is literally shaped like a graph. GraphQL is built to let you travel through these connections in a single query instead of making separate API calls for each layer. And here is why GraphQL gets powerful. In REST, the server controls the response shape in the backend, but in GraphQL, the clients write a query like placing exactly custom order what you want. If you ask it for email and name, the server sends back exactly name and email. No extra fields, no wasted data, just what you ordered. Here is the actual problem GraphQL actually solves. In REST, to build one screen, you might need to call 3 APIs, user, post, and comments. But in GraphQL, one query, one request, one response, everything your screen needs in a single call. And this solves two classic REST problems. One is overfetching, getting more than data what you need, and underfetching, not getting enough data, or you're forcing extra calls to gather required information. So in simple terms, GraphQL is a query language that lets the client ask for exactly what it needs from a single endpoint across the connected data. That's why companies like Facebook actually build GraphQL, and GitHub, Twitter, and Shopify all use this GraphQL API at massive scale. If you understood this video, like it and do follow it for more interesting videos.